LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2022 Ferrari Roma. Got this car with the quarter panel damage. If you guys haven't seen other episodes, I'll put them down in the description. Check it out so you guys can get up to date. So in this video, we're gonna start securing the quarter panel completely. In the other episode, I test fitted everything. Everything aligns perfect. Gaps are perfect everywhere. I installed the bumper, trunk, tail light. Just make sure everything looks good. So right now we're gonna pull the car inside, remove everything, and we'll put the bonding panel and secure the quarter panel completely. We gotta do some minor welds and we'll start doing the body work. Super excited, almost finished. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart and start working. So I just got the Ferrari back in the shop, so now we could start securing the quarter panel completely. In the last episode, I test fitted everything. Everything aligns perfect. So right now, I'm gonna remove everything once again. I'm gonna put a special bonding panel, secure the quarter panel. We gotta do a couple welds and start doing the body work. Super exciting episode, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So now let's get to work. Once again, I got my quick jacks, so let's raise the car up and start removing everything. That's it, just remove the quarter panel again. So now I'm gonna secure this and then secure this, and then for the final we'll start installing the quarter panel again. So now we're ready to start securing the quarter panel, and big shout out to Advanced Collision Repair Solution for sending me this rivet gun. And this is pretty much same thing, riveting like an OEM gun, and best thing ever. So let's open up and take a look and see exactly what we got. Look at this beauty. This is the best thing ever. So pretty much this is the gun. Look at this. Look how aesthetically pleasing it looks. So pretty much what you do, you put this control arm, boom, hook this up. And the best thing I like about this, that it's by air, not battery, so you know it's gonna last forever. So now we're ready to start installing and securing the quarter panel, and then those are the rivets that we're supposed to use, and there's different sizes for it as well. Look how nice this looks. Boom, so this is what's gonna hold the quarter panel together. Pretty much exactly same stuff like factory. So let me set the gun up and then we'll start installing. And then if you guys want one of those, I'll put all their link down in the description. Check them out. And then if you guys want to save a couple of dollars, use my promo code Vlad10. And yeah, but let's try this bad boy out. Amazing, I love it. So let me set everything up and then I'll show you guys how this system works and how amazing it is. So right now, before we install the quarter panel, I'm gonna secure this wheel well. I gotta remove this, put the bonding adhesive so we could secure this, and then we'll put a few rivets as well. So I want to put some bonding adhesive right here, up here, and then we'll secure it, and then we'll start test fitting or installing the quarter panel. And then this is the stuff I was talking about. Panel bonding adhesive 3M, best stuff ever. Work time 4 hours, 90 minutes, and then fully cure 24 hours. This artwork right here. put some right here as well.
Vlad.
Okay, now we glue this together. Something like this. And now we'll use our rivet gun. Are you ready? Sure am. And I'm very excited to use this stuff. So you put this rivet right here. Look how beautiful that looks. Factory weld pretty much. This wheel well is secured. Now we're gonna put bonding panel all over and start securing the quarter panel. Okay, now I put the bonding panel, so now let's slide the quarter panel and start securing it completely. So now I gotta put this back in carefully. I secured this area since we had to pull this back. I'm gonna heat this up and hammer it back in the same spot. Everything aligning perfect and the spots where we need to be. Okay, next we're gonna install the trunk. I want to close everything, make sure everything's looking good, and then we'll start using the rivet gun and securing everything completely. Okay, just installed the trunk. Let's see. Boom, look at this. Perfect. Everything is aligning very nice. Perfect gap over here. I love it. Okay, now we could secure the quarter panel with the rivet gun. And we're pretty much done, ready for welding. Okay, let me grab this gun. Man, I love this gun. Best gun ever. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom, look at that. Factory. That's what I'm talking about. So quarter got secured. So now I'm working on the back end. I gotta secure this area and I got my laser hooked up. I just wanna double check, make sure everything aligns good. This is where the bumper gonna be screwed in. So this is the only part that's been replaced. This is all original. So I put a laser just to see where I'm at. And I'm right on the line. And same with this side, right on the line. So that means everything is even and good to go. Really good laser, helps you a lot. Trunk aligns perfect, so just gotta do this section and we're good to go. Almost finished. And then for the final, I gotta do a couple of welds. I gotta do a weld right here on top and then weld right here at the door and we're good. Gaps are same, perfect as the other side. And we're looking pretty good. Very happy. that's it. Just secured the quarter panel. Everything came out beautiful. Looks like factory, like nothing happened. Look at those welds, amazing. And this is from the gun, the special gun. Once again, big shout out to Advanced Collision Repair Solution for sending me the proper tools to install this quarter panel. If you guys need any tools, reach out to them. I'll put all their information down in the description. Highly recommend. So now for the final, I gotta weld the quarter panel. And I got my welder right here. I just gotta weld this seam right here and then weld this seam at the bottom. And we're done. And we'll put some little body filler here, and then for the final, I gotta put little body filler on this quarter panel since it was damaged from shipping. So that's the plan. Let's cover everything up and start welding. And I lowered the car just to see how everything looks. Perfect gaps. I installed the bumper. Perfect. Amazing. Couldn't be happier. So let's finalize everything, finish the body work, and send this car to the paint department.
Factory заварил Володя.
Бежалась. Вау. That's it, everything is welded, repaired the quarter panel, looks perfect, just needs a little glaze and it's ready to go. Everything is good up here and at the bottom. And big shout out to Dent Fix for this aluminum machine. Helped me fix all the little dings and make this quarter panel look perfect. Super smooth and ready to go. So I'm all finished here with body work. This section is complete and same at the bottom. This part of the rocker is done. So next we're gonna focus on the quarter panel. Quarter panel is pretty much straight, just needs little body filler. As you guys remember, this quarter panel arrived damaged from shipping, so we fixed it. Looks pretty straight to me. I'm just gonna throw some body filler right here, very thin layer to get rid of all the deep scratches and just make it nice and perfect, you know. So we'll start with this and then it's ready for primer and paint. That's it, I'm all finished with body work. Everything came out beautiful. Let's check it out. Check this out. So we're finished up here, and then at the bottom. So right now I'm gonna spray some of this quick check just to see how everything is gonna look. This pretty much gives you that same look when you would put clear on it. Perfect. And then let's check out this. Same with this one, perfect. It looks amazing. So now we're ready for a primer and paint. So let's get this car over to the paint department and start the painting process.
When the bass hits your face, you be like. When the bass hits your face, you be like.
So we put primer on the Ferrari yesterday and it came out beautiful, man. Let's check out this awesome body work. Boom, look at this. Look at that perfect body work. I wonder who did this. Definitely whoever did this got little skills to do body work. Came out amazing. What do you guys think? Looks good, huh? So now we're ready for the final. Andre's gonna do his magic, paint this beautiful car, and then we could start putting everything back together. Super exciting. I love this part, you know. This is when you know you're almost finished with your project. So let's put the wheel back on and give this car to Andre so he could start prepping and start spraying. Doing the final prep and paint. Almost at the finish line. After paint, we'll put this bad boy together and ready to go. And I already put seam sealer and Andre painted everything in there. And same underneath the wheel well. Everything is done. Yep, almost there. That's it. Ferrari is prepped and ready for paint. So we're gonna have to paint the whole back end and into this quarter panel because there's no brakes. Such a weird design of the car that there's no brakes. They're gonna have to paint the whole back end. But yeah, almost there. That's it, we got the Ferrari in a spray booth. So now we're gonna have to mask it and get it ready for paint. And on this, we're gonna actually remove the door on the car. It's not gonna be in our way because we're gonna paint it up to there. That's it, we got the Ferrari masked and ready to go. Andre gonna do his magic and paint this beautiful car. So we're painting the whole quarter panel, roof, the whole back end, and rear bumper. See the paint work Andre did yesterday. Wow. Do you like? I like. Wow, look at that phenomenal body work. Everything's straight. Nothing is wavy. Wow. What happened? Nothing happened. And then here's the rear bumper. Came out amazing. Wow, very nice. Super happy with the results. So now we could pull the car out and start putting everything back together. Almost finished. Super exciting part when the car is finally painted. If you guys want to see step-by-step painting process, check out my brother's YouTube channel, LNC Painter. I'll put all his information down in the description. Highly recommend, good stuff. So now let's pull the car out and we'll take a look at the final product. Got a little dusty, but it's all painted and ready to go, so we could start putting it back together. Pretty much we ended up painting the front door as well. We did a blend into the back roof and right side quarter panel as well, so it's all done and ready to go. So now we could start slowly putting the car back together and get it ready for wash, detail and delivery. So for now, we're gonna end the video here. Stay tuned for the last episode where we put the car together, get it ready for wash and detail. So for now, what do you guys say? Let's go into the office and pick our 3 lucky winners for the giveaway. And we're back. We're doing the final giveaway in this video, and today is a beautiful Saturday, May 25th. And guess who's back? Mama and I.
The one and only.
The one and only. We're back, and we're gonna do another giveaway. And once again, big thank you to every single one of you guys, whoever participated in this giveaway. We have 320 comments. Thank you guys so much. You guys are just rock stars. So now let's jump into another 3 lucky winners we're gonna pick. Flashlight, t-shirt and coffee cup. So we got everything set up and ready to go. Once again, we're gonna be picking comment picker to find out who's the lucky winner. And 1, 2, 3, let's start. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is dun, dun, dun.
David Chasson, 3610.
And what did he say?
He said, "Awesome job on such a beautiful car. Love the color. You have an amazing family."
Well, thank you so much, my friend. And you are the lucky winner number 1. Congratulations, my friend. Let's pick a lucky winner number 2. Dun, dun, dun. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is
EVJP Garage 4976. I just enjoy your passion. Nice to see your father supporting your good work.
I appreciate for the comment. Very good comment. Thank you so much. And you're the lucky winner number 2. And we got one more. Who's gonna be the lucky winner number 3? Going once, going twice. And the lucky winner is
Hawaiian Punch 6534. That was a lot of work. Let's see the paint match.
And you're the lucky winner number 3. Congratulations, my friend. Yes, that was a lot of work, but we're almost the finish line. So congratulations to every single one of you guys for participating in this giveaway. And if you didn't win this time, don't worry. We're gonna do one more giveaway. We're doing a complete giveaway on this whole entire build. So we got one more video coming up next, so please drop all your comments and you might win next time. And if you did win, please send me an email with all your information so I could send out your goodies as soon as possible. And my email gonna be right here, LNCMOTORSPORT@yahoo.com. So drop an email with all your info and I'll send out your goodies. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
До свидания.